3 minutes. So sorry, I gotta have to do this again. Such a nice song. Here we go. Starting on the minute. Yeah. Here we go. It's looking pretty bad. Well, like I said yesterday, or last night actually, it's looking pretty red today. Well, cannot say we didn't expect it. Well, the show. So you better stay tuned. Less than 30 minutes to go. Yes. So we got this pattern emerging. Still not sure which way this is going though. This is how fast pattern evolves. Hands, be careful. Always be careful. pretty bearish. Look at that. Would you look at that? Welcome to the stream, everybody. Those who are watching. Looks like Bitcoin is about to retest this support. We'll see. How does the weekly, the daily looks like today? Well, like I said, gonna be red. Good thing I had my stop loss into profit zone before I went to bed. Smooth on YouTube. Oh, crazy. Well, the stream on TradingView is pretty new, right? I think they're still fixing it. Still in beta, actually. So can be too hard on them. Right. Like that, like that, and that. Just fixing some stuff. Like that. That's better. Thanks for letting me know, though. Praise God. Thank you. Welcome back to the stream. Gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a crazy week. Upcoming week. Look at that. This might close like this tonight. Are you Dutch? Hi, crypto strategists. Welcome to the stream. Yes, I'm Dutch. How did you guess? Yo, what's up, Begging? Welcome back. Oh. No nose. No. Okay. It's probably the accent. A little bit of everything. Cool. You know the coolest part? I'm not actually a Dutchman. So that's really, really well observed. Well, I'm a Dutchman for a long time now, but I was born in the Philippines. So good job. How goes the self quarantine, my brothers? Well, I'm not complaining actually. It is what it is, right? I hope you guys are doing okay. Belgium. So cool. Practically neighbors. Oh. It's going down. It's going down. Look at that. This might be the pattern. Especially when I look at this at the 4 hour. Kind of makes sense. Right? I also live pretty southern, so. When you come out of the quarantine. Here we go again. Here we go again. Wait a minute. Got some crazy stuff to show you guys today. Yeah. Pretty close. I lost some more bitcoins today. Why? Please don't tell me you didn't long this. Was a bit late today though. You should have shorted, yeah. That was a good call. It actually broke through, right? Candle closed below the support line, so broke through. And what you get? Bearish continuation. So, and now this thing is evolving into a bigger pattern within this pattern, which is pretty incredible. By the way, the Corona bill filled. First take profit just got hit. Awesome, man. Proud of you. Good job on this trade. Didn't get the votes it needed. Oh, didn't. So nobody's gonna get $1,000? Is that what you mean? I was in a short and it wicked up and hit my stop loss to the exact digit before reversing down. Ouch. Yeah, that happens. Best thing to do, right? That's why you want to have that backup. So if it does trigger it and you're pretty sure about the trade, just re-enter. And you're re-entering at a higher place as well. So that's what I would do anyways. It's not financial advice, but it's not working. I'm behind a VPN, so it's not going to allow me on this website, I think. Can try it again. By the way, everyone's going to get Corona. Well, yeah, we've all had it before. This is the 19th version of it, right? Hence the name. So yeah, we're probably gonna get it, and especially here in Europe, they're hoping that a lot of people get a group immunity. So I'm not sure if it's a good idea though, but they might go on lockdown soon. China's having a second round of Corona. Oh snap! Even though they're reporting 0 cases. Oh, that's crazy. Why don't they just release the freaking vaccine? Oh man, I just need to listen to that song one more time. It was so nice. No, this one. Or was this one? This one. Yes. So nice. Such a nice beat. Great strategy. Awesome, thank you. these people. The mass immunity thing. Yeah. A lot of people have to die though. This kind of sucks, right? Of might die actually. That's what I mean. If they don't do this controlled. They have to do it controlled though. Otherwise, this might head down south pretty quick. And I already know who's gonna get the blame. Weekly about to close in 15 minutes. And the daily as well. And it's looking pretty good. We're still on track. Still on track. Still on track. I think America is gonna get real bad in 2 weeks. We'll see. We'll see. Unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball for that kind of stuff. So, we'll see. Maybe some kind of vaccine comes out. Some magical way. Message me when I hit 3.8k. I might be out. Sure. Sorry, didn't mean to put. No, that's not really positive. 3.8k. I'm just coding some JavaScript to stop myself from trading. Very wise choice. Unless certain rules are met. Some checkboxes on screen and block from hit to trading the button low. And if I do trade, it can only max % of my account depending on the distance. Yeah, and don't forget to, don't forget to adjust your stop loss to into profit levels, right? I mean, it's better to profit than lose it, no matter what, right? Just managed to block the trade button on the exchange side by myself. I get the feeling though. I get it. Right. It's so tempting to gamble. But guys, you can do this rationally. I've been showing you. Rooting for Bitcoin, but I'm not attached to it. Yes. That's how you should look at it, right? I mean, it can always go down. It can always die. You should always prepare for that scenario. But you should also prepare for the scenario that it does go up. Don't forget that. There are two sides of the medallion. I hope it reached 3.8k. I actually wouldn't mind. Let's go. Let's buy some 3.8k. That's some freaking. Look at that. Give me that discount, boys. Yo, what's up, Stefan? Welcome back. Sometimes you can stop human nature. Yeah. If someone screams at you, you can't help but jump. Well, guess that's something saying something about you, right? And same when watching trades, right? Human to react. Well, that's the whole thing. That's what I've been preaching for quite some time. Stop letting the wave ride you. Ride the wave. You want to ride with the big boys. Do not let them ride you. So just think ahead as far as possible. That's what I'm doing here. right? I'm not saying this gonna happen. I'm not saying this going to happen. But these are possibilities. And if you don't anticipate those possibilities, well, you're going in blindly, if you ask me. So I press the button when I don't want to still. But I think Jack was to say, if you got a plan, etc., and max percent of trades will help. Oh. I don't know. I know the feeling, man. But I think what you're doing is you're going to the right step. You're taking the right steps, right? I mean, coding some JavaScript, keeping your mind off the charts. Stop your future self. Exactly. Right. Be conscious of what you're doing. You know, you're playing against, like I said yesterday, on the last stream. Right, this is a never-ending war. This is a battle between. Well, I'm not saying good versus the evil, but buyers and sellers. I mean, they can all be good or evil, right? Doesn't matter. However, this battle's never ending. Well, at least if you don't want to. Right. And I've been checking some stuff out. It's pretty crazy. This thing. Been studying this pattern. Which I'm recognizing in quantum mechanics stuff. So you might think, what the hell are you talking about? But you might be amazed. Who knows? Stay tuned though. Still need to publish some stuff. Someone has requested for NAS. What? It's the NAS stock airshow. Looks like they've hit a bottom. They might hit a bottom soon. Make this a bit neat though. It's a bit big. How many minutes until the daily closes? Don't want to miss that. Oh, less than 9 minutes. So stop yourself. Should really try to trade on different markets, man. Don't just trade on Bitcoin. Look, I'm mostly analyzing this thing. I'm not trading a lot. Had my profit here and here and here. I'm satisfied, right? Just waiting for the right moment again. Waiting for the right wave to come. You're like a surfer, right? Cannot just jump on every freaking wave. You're bound to get splashed sometimes, right? Wait for the right moment. And otherwise, if you can find it, if you do are impatient, just go to another market. You know, look for these signs. What I've been telling all this time. Right. That one, this, that movement. Right. And you want to see it on the daily at least, daily or longer time frames. So this is nowhere near complete, right? We're still waiting for this movement because it can still go down. If this thing closes a candle below this line, then we're effed up. So you only sync trade? Yes, mostly, yeah. Very rarely I do some scalps, but like yeah, I'm mostly swing trade. Those are, I don't know, less riskier than the rest. Not saying this isn't risky. You know what I mean, right? It's just less riskier than competing against the big boys here in between. Right? Those are the big boys who are playing here. So I'm not gonna I'm not gonna join that battle. So what I'm saying, right? You have to accept where you are on the food chain. Only then you will resist those feelings, those FOMO feelings and gamble feelings. You know what I'm talking about. Good old Bitmax times. Oh man, I'm glad I've stepped off on my Bitmax. They got so many trouble, so unstable. It's great to watch your patience. That's another level. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I hope everybody learns from it. Stop getting wrecked. I've been trading on 1 minute time frame for past couple of days, dynamically controlling positions as the price evolves, without any fixed TP or stop loss levels. I'm surprised it actually works. Well, good on you, man. You know, if it works for you, by all means, just keep honing those skills. You will get there. Yeah, same here, crypto strategist. Same here. There's such a good web application. It's really solid. Exactly. Oh my goodness, that was just terrible. I've seen actually people getting wrecked by those wicks down. Oh my goodness. People can enter. Oh, frustration. Next level frustration. What strategy methods do you use, FM, as technical analysis? I'm curious. That's almost 3 minutes. 3 minutes to go. Look like feels like someone's waiting for the weekly to close and then dump it. That's my gut feeling is saying at the moment. BTC would have gone to zero if they didn't manually close trading. Yeah. Oh. Yep. That was pretty close call. Yeah, I also had to pay some people back, right? Dang. Glad I'm not in their shoes. Goodness me. Did you see the screenshot with the remaining buy orders on Max? No? Let me check it out. Also, not really looking at buying orders. I mean, all the orders. Uh, let's see. Looking. Where is it? Where is it? When did that happen? Completely forgot that. 1 minute to go. Almost. Well, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Get there. Oh my goodness. I hope it's gonna happen. What we're hoping for. All this time. Awesome. Thanks, man. Someone wanted me to. Was it this one? Oh yeah, what was this one? This was so nice. Look at this, guys. Have you seen this? Norwegian air shuttle. They're like, look at this middle finger. I'll be back. Big fat middle finger. It's looking like a pretty steep broadening wedge, to be honest. That's descending. Look at that. This thing will actually go jump back up. Chance pretty high. Might go dancing a bit more here, creating this head and shoulder pattern perhaps. We'll see. Well, how's the Bitcoin doing? Well, look at that. We got a red candle coming. Well, guys, did we expected this? We kinda did, didn't we? Well, here we go. Red candle, let's go. Should we trade this? I think this is going to be a red candle this week. That's my forecast for this week. Or another green one here, but something like a doji. This thing might actually wake up again and go down again. You know how it works. Like this one, just happened in the previous week. So this is looking pretty good, guys. Still on track. Exactly how we wanted. Beautiful green candle. Not too big, not too small. Just a slow down movement. I mean, a slowing down of the momentum movement. Right? Since this thing has been going down pretty fast, now we want that slowing down momentum. So this thing might become red here. It might actually drop down here, wick somewhere here again. I don't care. Let's go. People gonna buy here. Look at this. This is smart money. This is smart money. Entering this space. If in doubt, hang about. Currently short with targets 5200 and 4900. Oh, that's a pretty good targets, I think. Yeah, definitely. So around that region, right? We're talking about that region, so those are pretty good targets, if you ask me. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. I mean, we can see this thing growing in the weekly. I'm just saying. Something's going on. What's going on? Look at that. What are the indicators saying? Ooh, what? That's weird. Well, money flow is decreasing. This kind of sucks, right? It's kind of indicating this movement. Um, so volume is leaving the space. This thing is actually stagnating. So, but money flow is still decreasing. However, the velocity of the decreasing is a bit slower, but still decreasing. So money flow is, I mean, volume is leaving the space. So congratulations if this thing continues to go down and touch this bottom here somewhere, maybe even here. Just wick down, right? Just wick and then go back a bit. Here might happen like this one. Wick and then go up. It's a possibility. But we'll see. Who knows? This thing might also just go up. Right? Like we're suggesting here. I mean, let's see. The next weekly candle that's going to close is on about March 30th of March. Excuse me. Daily. So, what do you think, guys? Right? Where is this thing heading? Let's copy paste that. So the next weekly candle is gonna close somewhere here. Well, anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. Go down, go up. So, if you're here, if you're not in the trade, don't stop. Don't FOMO in. You're too late. Far too late. Should have been shorting here somewhere. Then you could have ride this wave and nobody could have stopped you. Look at that. I mean, this was just such a beautiful point to short here. But this was beautiful. Bit, less profit perhaps, but got more. It's less risky. It's more of the thing, right? I mean, profit is really important. Not losing is really important. Not getting your stop loss triggered all the time is really important. 63.18. Whoa. 63.18. That's a beautiful. Oh, somewhere in that region, right? Like I'm saying. Nice one, man. Awesome trade. Well, he's perfect, right? This is that what I'm telling you guys. That pull back down movement, the momentum that it's gonna wants to go down. And this was a a bull trap or bear trap. What was it? It's looking like a descending triangle now. You guys, that's what's so dangerous about going to shorter time frames. This was a beautiful mark though. However, these things change into bigger patterns so quickly. Makes it so dangerous. Especially when you think that the pattern that's forming is a bullish pattern and then still breaks out bearish, right? It sucks so hard. So this thing can actually just break out further. There's a possibility. Or it's gonna find support here, and then then I'm probably gonna wait for a. I think this is a pretty nice. If this thing goes up again next week, creating a green candle. I mean the week after this one, right? This week might be a red candle, but next week might be a green candle. So then it could go up like this. It's 30%. So I might catch this wave, right? That's a pretty nice. If this happens, that's a pretty nice wave. It's not a tsunami like this one, but right. Oh yeah, well, I should say this is tsunami, right? This is a tsunami like this one. Oh yo, this is the wave we want to see here. Oh, that's a surprise for you guys for those who still watching, who's been following this stream. Like I've been telling you guys, right? I don't know if you've watched my stream last night, but I saw this pattern, right? This I don't know, quantum physics pattern. Anyways, that's how I call it for now. I don't know how they call it actually, but this pattern somehow emerged, right? Like where is it? Where is it? This pattern. Pretty looks like it, right? At least this part, this upper part of this. Well, actually, this the other half looks like it as well, if you ask me. So that's the crazy part, right? So I've been doing some image editing. I mean, come on. Look at this. If you, you got that pattern, right? Look at that. You see that, guys? You see that? And the one that I just showed you. Look what happens when you actually turn it a bit. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? I don't know. Sorry. I might be connecting the wrong dots, but I'm just saying. Look at that. Quantum mechanics, guys. I'm telling you. This wave theory that I've got. In the future, some smart kid who I finally understand how quantum mechanics works is gonna explain this mathematically. Look at that. Crazy, you know? Have you ever seen that before? Something that collides that beautifully. It's not perfect, but you see what I'm saying, right? Isn't that crazy? Quantum mechanics, guys. Everyone who tells you technical analysis doesn't work, even in these times, they don't know technical analysis. Look at that, guys. I've been telling this for so long, right? What we see here in every market, when you analyze the markets like this, you see a pattern emerge, right? And it's all waves. So think about that. Crazy, you know? Still. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try this. I'm just gonna try fractal this. And look what I've got here. dudes. If this happened, right? Look at that. If the when people stop competing here and stop working together again, like here, we can make this happen again. If people stop competing, you know, these people are just freaking greedy bastards who are selling that. So, but like I said, right? One branch is easy to break, but thousands of branches breaking simultaneously. Good luck with that. That's when we. That's what happens when everybody works together. Then we'll get this movement somehow, this pattern. We get this collective thought. Like I'm saying, quantum mechanics is gonna freaking solve this problem in the future. um. So, if we want this to happen again, and if it does, then it's gonna be probably looking like this, guys. Look at that. I mean, I've been telling this target for so long, and I've just been doing this quite recent. I mean, pretty much just like now, yesterday or today. I mean, look at that. Of course, I've adjusted a little bit, you know, just a little bit, but the structure remained the same as this one. Yes, that's what I'm afraid of. And welcome, by the way. I fear the worst. Yeah, I'm sorry for the bad news, but that's what kind of I'm hoping for. Like I've been saying the whole week already. But this thing might also just go up, wake up and then become a red candle, or it follows this trend trajectory, retesting this, uh, you know, resistance. But that's gonna take 2 weeks. So this thing might actually become red, and then the week after green, and test this support, resistance. Oh my goodness. So yeah, there's a great possibility that this thing might go up, and then become a red candle at the end of the week. Or this thing, no, this is not gonna stay doji. This is the beginning of the week, so I'm expecting volatility this week. It's just only Monday now, so a lot of stuff can happen in this week. When China wakes up, Russia wakes up, when the world wakes up. So expect volatility. Well, this thing is already becoming green. It wicked up from there, going down again. So this thing might actually stay like this today, and then tomorrow we get a red candle. Possible. Finding support here, or breaking through. Always anticipate possible movements, and there are only few. If you know what I mean. It's not like price action can do this, right? So I should go like just like that. So it's gonna go that way or that way. But guys, we're still on schedule. We're still on track. As long as this thing keeps here, this region. I really hope it doesn't go too up too high. That would sucks, right? I want this thing to make bullish patterns, not bearish patterns. Bearish patterns are for greedy people. So stop being greedy. Make the price go up after the halving. Right. Give people a chance to enter. Because this might be our last stop To the moon. To the moon. Look at that. This might happen again. If this happens again, it's gonna look like this. We get these phases. First phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, and then to the moon. Then that's gonna peak, and then here is where you're going to be on alert, because you know what happened here. You know what happened here. Well, guess what's gonna happen here. Don't be greedy though. Keep some of those bitcoins to keep this price up. You don't want to get lower. You don't want people to lose faith, right? So, everybody who's watching this, we're all going to be the catalyst of this market. Right? If you're actually going to invest in these regions, like I've been telling for months, Bitcoin's going to reach 5k region, so I'm gonna buy there. So guess what I did? Okay. This is the Bitcoin halving. Looking pretty good to me. I hope this thing makes a bullish pattern. That would be really nice. Hi Ozzy, welcome to the stream. Oh man. How to change quality of the video? Well, something you might want to ask TradingView. Otherwise, I've got this. I got another stream running on YouTube. If you want a bit of background music as well, might be nice. I don't know. So my voice might have been a bit loud though. Let me put my favorite beat on first. That's so nice. Where is it? Oh yeah, here we go. So, like I said, guys, Bitcoin just needed time, and it needs some more, and it needs our help actually as well. Right? We need to work together, guys. These are people. This is the hierarchy pattern. You have to understand that. What you see here. This is where everybody just kept buying Bitcoin. Everybody, investors, whales, hodlers, lower classes, everybody. FOMOers, gamblers. That's the only way to get a price up, right? When you buy. That's simple, guys. It's not that complicated. And people need to understand this. Stop competing for a while. Stop this. We need to work together. It's time. It's time. I'm just saying. And then this thing is gonna go up, and the rest of the cryptocurrencies are gonna ride along with it, and making them worldly known as the Bitcoins. That's what we want to have. Cryptocurrency is the future. It's undeniable, guys. The technology is resounding. And there are already new cryptocurrencies that are far better coded than Bitcoin blockchain technology. So, what do you think was gonna happen? Everybody thought internet was. Are you out of are you out of your mind? What happened? It's one of the biggest things that happened. That happened to the human history, and I don't think people are people are underestimating this. It's actually first world technology, first civilization, first type civilization technology. And people actually don't understand that. Well, I mean, that's how big internet is now. So what do you think was gonna happen with cryptocurrency? Guys, you have to think further than the length of your nose. I entered last week at price 640.92. Is the K for me? Is the K for long? Well, kind of late actually, but it's still okay to buy some bitcoins at the lower regions, right? I mean, let me show you this wick. This is smart money. It's entering the space here. Like I've been saying, this is smart money. They understand what's going on. They're seeing what I'm seeing. So yeah, some people are still in disbelief. Right, we're still in the bear market. We're right. We're at the end. We're nearing the end though. So, and 141 Ethereum. I will have to check that. I haven't checked that yet. Let me do a quick check on Ethereum for you. But I can probably already guess it's a descending wedge like the rest, or descending channel. Which one? Let's do Coinbase. It's pretty long history, right? Look at that neck and shoulder. Goodness me. Or head and shoulder, whatever. But there's always light on the horizon. But something that goes down must also come up again. Can you see it? Can you see it? Well, pretty much the same pattern everywhere in this cryptocurrency space. It's all bullish patterns what I'm seeing everywhere. Crazy, huh? Even though, right, I've been very bullish here, like I've said in my previous ideas. Right, that this thing was going down, that it was going up here, that it was going down there, and then break out somewhere there. From this falling wedge, evolving into this bigger pattern, retesting the support. I mean, I'm sounding like a broken record today. You know, guys, for those who have been watching this stream for quite some time now, you know, this is how it works. Stimulus rejected. Someone's getting played. Someone's getting played. Still playing a chess game, guys. Don't forget that. Whatever is happening now in the world, or all the turmoil is being created by the mainstream media, and be careful. I don't know if you've seen the quote of Denzel Washington, right? When you read the newspaper, or when you don't read the newspaper, you're uninformed. But when you do read the newspaper, then you're misinformed. Brilliant actor. Look at these patterns. Don't you reckon? Aren't these resembling? You know, remember quantum mechanics? Something's going on with this shit. Crazy. See those patterns everywhere. Look what's gonna happen. People were the same here, right? Nah, this thing's. What the fuck is Bitcoin? What the fuck is that? Oh wait.
Charging
oh my
battery.
God. Oh my God. I'm gonna. I want some too.
Charging battery.
Oh no. You guys know how it went. The rest is history. So where are we now? Where are we now? What do you think where we are? Just saying. I mean, look at that. Crazy, huh? Well, you've seen it first here, guys. You've seen it first here. Is this just a coincidence? Might be. Or is this something more? Look at that. Crazy, huh? In a big ass we are now. Well, apparently we are on the other side, right? So to me it's crazy. Look at that. Gonna do this one. Look at that. I mean, this is not perfect, I get it, but it resembles this pattern we see everywhere. I mean, in ancient times we see these patterns. Just saying. When you look at this, right? I mean, look at that. Crazy. Pretty crazy to me, guys. Don't know about you, but when I saw that, my head went mind-boggling. God dang it. Look at that. You can see the pattern, right? I'm not freaking kidding, man. I would like to see close future BTCs. Close future? Oh, of course. CME is gonna open this morning, right? Let's see. Look at that. By the way, it's looking pretty bullish. Dang. What comes up must come down. Well, but what comes down also comes up again. So let me see. CME futures. Let's go there. Which one? This one? So this thing ended here, and we are now in 59:20. The day 59:20. Oh, whoa! Not a lot of movement. See that? Nothing to really worry about. This thing has to be filled sometime though, but not anytime soon. It doesn't have to happen anytime soon. Like this. There was the other gap. I think this one. Right, this one got filled a lot later. Look at that. Here, all the way here. You may count this wig, but I don't count wigs actually. I want a body. The clothes over it, to be sure. Just like this one. Not this wig, like these bodies here. I want to see that again. Oh, wait, the up way. But can also take a lot of time, right? So when this happened, I think that gap might be get filled somewhere over here. Actually, still had to publish this one, so who was doing? How's this stock doing? Still close, right? Tomorrow we'll know more. Well, it's looking good. Looks like it's gonna form into some kind of pattern. Perhaps this, but we're not sure yet. This is not completed yet. This is just speculation at this moment, like it's always is, but this is overly speculation, I guess you might say. This is forecasting. We don't just forecast where the price action goes. You also should try to forecast the freaking pattern. Maybe this week or 2 weeks. Maybe. Kind of hoping for this to happen again. Should have bought more. Always, right? It's always like that. Then when it goes up, then you'll be like, oh man, why didn't I bought more? God dang it. No, you're never satisfied. Some feelings you have to resist. Even though it's going up. Of course, we can see a green candle. Look at this RSI stochastic. It's looking bad. This looking so bearish. Look at this bearish divergence here. It's just a itty bitty tiny wave trend bar. Or this. What the? There. Look at that. It's such a mini divergence, but. And we did converge one though. Let's see. My god. That's a small one. That one was hard to catch. But look at that. It was in the region of perfect entry. Hi, how can I increase the quality of video? Well, I'm sorry for that. I'm afraid it's trading view. It's messing up the quality. However, I'm also streaming this on YouTube, so you might watch me here as well. Quality should be better, and a bit of background music as well, if you fancy that. Oh yeah, it sounds better. Mm. I really need to do some rolling though. Let's see. Mm. What's happening with this bad boy? Batty boy. Come on, boy. Look at that. Think it's probably gonna go down a little bit. Go up. It's looking nasty. It's a nasty looking chart. However, there's always light in their eyes. I mean, come on. Like I told you guys, markets go up, down, up, down. And this thing is making high lows. I mean, lower lows and lower highs. So this thing is bound to go up again. Have to happen. Like here, right? This thing kept making higher highs and higher lows. And what happens? Broke through the downside. If you wanna backtest more, pretty much you pretty much will see the same. So probably get the picture already. This one is one misleading X. This one was beautiful though. This green dot here. This one was crap, but it should have anticipated anyways to go down. So then you should be like, oh, this is a beautiful moment to hop in. This might be what they call a bull trap. I have to make some indications for that. Dang, might be a good idea. And this, sucks. If you guys want to analyze other markets, just let me know, right? You guys know how this works. done. Almost done. Well, Bitcoin's up a few percentage. How's that? Why is this on BSV actually? What's going on? Are you fucking kidding me? What's going on? Ah, look at that. There we go. I wonder who's going to be the first.
Charging battery.
Oh, really?
Charging battery.
Yes. Shut the hell up. I'm a little bit hungry again. So that's Ethereum USD. We'll see if this thing is gonna break up to the upside. Waiting for green X actually. Something like that. Some green X would be nice. Just saying. This green X was pretty. This one as well. This one was ugly, but yeah, this red X here though. Another one. Could have rode. Have to catch up tomorrow. Sleep for work. Cheers again. Well, cheers, mate. Same to you. Sleep tight. See you guys tomorrow. I mean, see you ways of God tomorrow. Probably. Not sure yet though. I might take a day off tomorrow. Like I said, the weekly is most important anyways. Okay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's this. I mean, like that. That's how I've been adjusting it a little bit so it doesn't look too retarded. Actually makes sense. Oh my goodness, guys. This occurs. Oh, yo. We're in for a roller coaster ride of our life. Jesus. So, waiting for this uplifting moment. Right. Just like here. We're waiting for something similar to this. So don't be afraid, right? There are so many opportunities to enter. So we just have to wait for this structure, this movement, like this trend wave is suggesting. That's what we're waiting for. I mean, this X might have been quite misleading if you think about it, but it went down, right? So, however, it didn't. Retested the support. It just as normally does up and down. But the most important part, it didn't. Retested the support. Actually, went away from it. Man, he could have entered here and still made a lot of profit. Could have entered here and still made a lot of profit. And that's pretty much how it works, right? You got these faces. Look, you can see it here as well. That's what I'm talking about. It's the crazy part, right? I know it sounds weird, but it does make sense, right? Look at this. Always happens somehow in a bull run. Why? Because people are working together. They stop competing. No, like I said, there are some greedy motherfuckers, but it's hard to break, right? When there are a lot of branches. When you try to break 10 branches at the same time. That's what happened here. Didn't happen. It's not gonna happen. Until the first one let go. And there we go. The rest is history. Don't think I'm gonna stream very long tonight. Been streaming for so long. Dang. Catch up some sleep. Wake up a bit early. Get some stuff done. But that was pretty weird, right? Quantum mechanics. I'm telling you, it's going to explain this whole one day. Let's see. Don't see any weird shit here.
It is the mind that stands between and veils our happiness.
This thing has to go up a little. Just has to.
So your business is to find the real nature of the
Right.
then you will
Go
know
up a
there is
little and then go back down again. And then right there. Your money flow is decreasing still. But it's lesser and lesser. Lesser and lesser volume is leaving the space. Yeah, a lot of volume was leaving. More and more and more and more.
Thus we
Now it's
exist
lesser and
as
lesser,
there appears to
even though it's still declining. So, you want to see this?
ego is gone. Realization
You want to see
becomes
the
life.
velocity going up, money flow going up, and this thing above the zero level. That
It is
means
the mind that stands
a
between
lot of volume is entering the space. And look what happened. A lot of volume, buying volume. And the price went up. That's how it works, guys. For those who still don't understand, it's that simple. So if you have any questions, want me to analyze other markets, better do it soon. I'm not gonna do this very long tonight. Oh, look at that. Beautiful candle that closed here. It's red X. Might be. Oh, look at that. This cross bearish actually, but doesn't say shit in the weekly. Actually, I should go to the daily for this. I said, stagnating there, but still declining. Still declining. So unfortunate. But we kind of expected it, so better be prepared for it also. Right? Might go up here, or it might go down further. So better be prepared. Although my feeling does say, got this gut feeling that it's gonna find support here. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I need that song again just to wake up a little. Where is it here? Huh? Are you trading in this area? You prefer to wait for upper or much lower areas? I'm waiting for well, if I'm preferring for lower levels to buy in. However, if I'm gonna enter a long position, then I don't care where actually. I don't even mind entering this level as long as I'm fine. I'm, that upwards movement. As long as I'm seeing that, like here. I mean, of course, this is the most ideal place to enter, but good luck catching that one, right? So, but there are a lot more opportunities, even though it's going up. You can see here. So I'm looking for this upwards movement, moving away from the support line, as you can see here. So it doesn't matter whether this thing stays in this region or a bit higher or a bit lower, as long as we're seeing that structure. Then this might occur. The chance of this occurring is pretty high. It might go up like that, find resistance here, getting rejected here. Retesting the support once again, but you guys know this is a super strong support. This is proving it at the moment. Right? This is our evidence that this is a super strong support. So it will find support here if this happens, and still go up, and actually still break through these resistance, key resistance, and then look, it's probably gonna look something like this, something similar. Probably gonna see this formation again, like here we've seen here, and like we've seen here. Yeah, that's up. So trading at the moment, no, I'm not gonna trade now. It's too, as you can see, it's too risky for me. Just not worth it. Get a little bit, I can get a little gains, right? But I can also lose it. So, and look, we're not that far away anymore, guys. It's just a few months from the halving, and then let's make it or break it. If this doesn't occur, everything is gonna go down from here. So this won't happen at all. That's the beauty of this technique of analysis. And trading with this strategy. So if this happens, if the bears decides to sell their bitcoins, will see it. We will able to see it. And if that happens, yeah, then we're gonna probably gonna see a bear continuation. With another possibility of recovering here. But if it continues, Bitcoin's gonna die, which I do not see happen. So the most probable thing is gonna happen is this. I think I'm making sense. So I got a strange feeling that in a few months, this whole outbreak thing and the whole turmoil we're now in our current situation. Well, who knows? Some vaccine somehow comes out faster or sooner than we've expected. Well, this might occur. Everything will be okay again, recover, right? People will be, everything will be fine. So let's do this. Buy stocks, buy bitcoins, buy gold, buy everything. Where's the money? Show me the money. Buy them motherfuckers up. That's what's going to happen. Mark my words. Technicals predicted this, guys. Technicals. This was going to happen, no matter what. We just didn't know why. Do we care why? No, we don't care. Well, of course, somewhere we care, but I mean, when you're trading, is that something you're gonna think about? Why is this thing going down? No, only thing you're gonna see is those triple green digits. That's the only thing you're gonna care. You know this. So everybody can speculate what they want. My technical is saying this thing is going up again, and we are near at the end of this bear market. That's what I'm seeing. It happened here. Ended the bear market here. Here ended the bull market. And now, what do you think was gonna happen? What's the chance? How high is the chance that this will happen? I wonder. If you got something else really resounding to show me that can change my mind, please try. Please do. I'm here. No, I'm not here to discuss just to win a discussion. I'm here to become wiser, become smarter than yesterday. So I might pick something up, or I might not. So don't be afraid. I won't bite. Look at that. Look at that. It's gonna go down. These people who are actually buying here, well, taking a big risk there, if you ask me. They might take some profit. Buy here, then go down, sell it up here. Could be. Oh well, it's gonna take some time. That's the short time frames. I'm hungry. Damn. I'm hungry. So, this is the possible trajectories. These are the possible trajectories. Let me tie this up a little bit. want to see this movement. That's what I want to see. And then we're good to go. I might just enter here. Alright. Enter a long position here. I've probably been buying here, right, in these regions. So when this thing goes down, I'm gonna buy here. Makes sense, right? So when I've got some bitcoins, I'm gonna when I bought some bitcoins, then I'm gonna, you know, a small proportion of that I'm probably gonna leverage trade somewhere here, somewhere there, if this occurs. May even bit go down a bit, doesn't matter, as long as this got this movement. So around this till here, you got the time. You might even I'm probably just gonna accumulate, right? The dollar cost average, what they say. Buy bit by bit at the lowest point around this trajectory. So I'm not gonna buy like bomb big chunks. No, I'm gonna wait for the dips. Right. Wait for the dips, buy some dips. Make the price go up a little. I know everybody's gonna think the same. Gonna start this new movement. Well, at least let's hope so. Let's hope so. Only time will tell, guys. Only time will tell. I'm gonna make me some food and then head to bed. Perhaps I'll be back tomorrow, but I'm not sure yet. I don't think not. If something significant happens, I'll be back, right? I mean, and if you guys got some markets to request to analyze or some question how this works or whatever, please let me know. Discuss it on the stream. Perhaps I might, you know, come online on the day instead of the instead of the night. I mean, it would be nice. Perhaps watch some crypto tubers, rank them, see who are actually good ones and who are the bad ones. Might be fun. These are the possible trajectories, I think. I mean, how crazy can this go? I know anything can happen in Bitcoin, but it would be kind of weird to be jumping right from here. Maybe something like that. Somehow jumps right there. You know, you never know. You never know. That's the whole thing. That's why I try to find possible trajectories, or at least the trends, possible trends. I'm not saying price action is gonna immediately, you know, follow this. That's not what I'm saying. But you know, just like here, right? It's not like the price action is going exactly like this line. No, that's why I'm calling this a trend wave. Right, the trend is going up, and what happened with the price action? It went up. Trend went down. Price action is going down. Right, that's pretty much what I mean with these trend waves. So this thing might actually go like that, right? It's possible. Always look every angle. We're playing the big boys chess game here. So you better be careful in these sort of time frames. It's a beautiful red X here. How are we actually? like a bullish divergence though, what the heck? Well, the candle still needs to close. Always wait for the candle to close. Really important. This signal can change in an instant. So this looks like a bullish divergence. Maybe a small one. Maybe this thing is gonna go up for a little like that, and then dump back down again. So be careful here, guys. Dangerous trading here. Big boys are playing, so let them play. Just wait for the right moment. Be patient. If you like fishing, you're gonna love this. So pretty clear, right? So be careful, this thing might go up. Might find support here, but you know now how to find it. When you know. So how do you know when this thing is going to break down? Well, when you see a candle close below. You will never know that from here. That's why I'm saying don't trade here. It's very dangerous. You don't know. Maybe this thing is gonna go up. Right? So when you do want to short and you want to do it with less risk as possible, then you want to wait for a candle to close below. That's most of the time indicates that it's gonna have a bearish continuation in this case. However, when it does find support here, well, you will see that movement like I've been talking about the whole stream already. So this is just less riskier. I'm not saying you're gonna be right every time, right? Just you would be at least be able to dodge the big boy moves. So you won't get, you won't be a victim of collateral damage. Like I said, ride the wave. Don't let it ride you. It all comes down to that. Alright. Oh, yes, I'm freaking tired. Oh my goodness. Didn't sleep much last night, as you can imagine. Well, we'll see, guys. Something significant happens tomorrow, I will definitely be back. But for now, as I'm looking at this might be deviations. Big one though. These are big ones. This might indicate for something that's gonna come in the future. Like this. Like this. So be careful here. This might be a ascending broadening wedge. And you know what ascending broadening wedges does, right? They most of the time break out to the downside. That's why we got these lines here. Well, let me say this probability is pretty low, right? I'll just decrease the opacity. I guess this has a pretty good chance, so let me keep it at that. And this has a high chance as well, so I'm gonna line up like that. Don't forget, this is a bullish pattern, as you can see here when this occurs. But it might just also just retest and bounce back up again. And you know now how to ride this wave. Like there somewhere. Somewhere in that region. Oh. But when this happens, you know, ride that. This one here. short there. Those are safe spots. These are spots where the big boys are inactive. So that's why you want to trade. That's why you want to enter these regions from the trends. I hope you guys understand that. If you have any questions, please do ask me next time. I'm gonna head out. Gonna grab me something to eat. Gonna head back to bed. Back. Then heading to bed. Maybe watch a little bit of Netflix. See. So be careful, guys. Don't fall into that form of feeding. Prevent it. Resist it. It's not time yet. Save that money for this unbelievable, life-changing opportunity. Well, it's a possibility anyways. Not saying it's going to happen, guys, but the possibility that this is going to happen is pretty high. I'm gonna leave you guys with that, and wishing you guys a very, very nice day, and good night if you're in the same time as I am. Guys, as always, peace. Be kind.